Hello, welcome back to the tutorial series. Today we are going to cover deploying Hyperledger Fabric to multiple organizations. Okay, um, this is a long tutorial, so I'm not going to run step by step the instructions. Instead of that, I would like you guys to run that, but I will cover some of the steps that need some extra care, otherwise we may miss something. So in this so it's Hyperledger GitHub Composer latest tutorial deployed to Fabric multi-org. That is the page. And so okay, before discussing that, I will tell you what we are going to do today. The architecture. So I have I have I have a diagram into the our tutorials page. So we will design a system. We will build a system, multi-org system. So it have two organizations, org1 example.com, org2 example.com. It has a one orderer, and it have one CA and two peers. So this is how our system will look like. So they have given step by step what we have to do. They have color coded the steps that org1 and org2 should follow. This color green is for org1, this black, this one for org2, like that. So as a prerequisite, they are asking us to stop, tear down. So just copy and do this. And there is a fabric samples. Okay, it has all the private key, all the things needed to build a multi-org system. So just clone that one, and and go to a directory called fabric samples. Okay, when we clone, it will create a fabric samples directory. Go to that directory and do this curl, download the platform binaries including cytogen. Okay, this is cryptogen, verify list of docker images downloaded without issue. So we are downloading various docker images for the peers and all here. And after that, this git checkout to go to the repository multi-org branch. um, First network, we have to go to the directory first network, and it has build your first network, that one, and it will generate command first directory. If the command works successfully, the first command will generate fabric network security artifacts. Second command will, okay, so command, so don't copy this one. Okay, when I try to copy and run it, it failed. Just manually copy one by one and try to run these two commands. Okay, once this second command finish, it will say that end. If this all good, byfn execution completed. Okay, so this is to delete the old cards we have created, and this is to remove the composer directory. Just follow that steps. So little bit explanation about our network. It has two organizations, org1, org2, as we see here. Org1, org2. It has two MSPs. Each one will have an MSP, and MSP will have a CA. And this one, okay, these things we have specified in a JSON file. We will see that one. So where the peer 0, peer 1, and those things, CA, which port CA will be running, all this information they're explaining that. Okay, CA certificate. So they have asked us to download, so CD fabric samples. Okay, that's the one we have downloaded. It has a CD first network. So it has this crypto config. Okay, this crypto config file, inside that we have a certificate for CA, and they are asking us to just go and verify. So we can see where those certificates are there. These all are built and they have provided that. We are just going to use that one. And admin, the user named admin will be a peer admin, and his MSP, his certificates are there in this crypto config folder. Peer organization org1 users admin org1 MSP. So similar way, org2, there is an org2 folder inside crypto config. There will be a org2 MSP for the admin. So they are asking us to create two folders, and there they will copy all the files needed, like all the crypto files, certificates, all those things, private keys, public key, and this file we have to create. Okay, byfn config, I will show you. They have asked us to create this temp composer. Okay, I have created temp composer. Inside that, org1 org2, and inside this temp composer they are asking us to create a file and copy these contents. Let's see what all are there. We know what it is: type, the version, the channel. Only one channel is there, that is my channel, and that has the orderer information, peers. We have four peers, one for two for each organization, peer one and peer zero and peer one. So peer zero org two, peer one org two. So the organization information, org one, MSP, CA, all those information is given. Orderer, there is one orderer, and the orderer information. Again peers, this time GRPS connections to the peers, certification authority information. The org1 has this, org2 has this. Then we have to copy these information and save to byfn network JSON. Okay, that's what I have done here, and save it. Okay, now comes another part. So they are asking us to use this awk command and generate, copy the CA, CA certificate to temp composer ca.org1. So if you run this one, there will be a file get copied to org1. That file name is ca.org text. So this is the file, ca.org1 text. So that file get copied. Once that file get copied, if you open this file, it has some crypto material. Just copy that one, and they are asking us this BYFN. Okay, I have done what they asked us to do, but this was like oh my god, where is it? Yeah, this insert orderer CA certificate. So they are asking us to, in place of that, insert CA. Oh yeah, it was here. Okay, CA certificate. They are asking us to copy CA org one. So this whatever value here, copy that and replace that one. Okay, this one, the whole this one replaced by that crypto material. Oh, this is yeah, this one orderer. This is orderer, not this one. Where is that CA certificate? There will be an entry like that. Yeah, this is for org one. This is for orderer. Yeah, this is for org one. So just replace that one with so similar way we have to do for org2, and then for the orderer. So these few lines mentions those things. This is for org2, then for this is for orderer. Okay, so do that steps, finish that step, then they are asking us to copy this b1 byfn network.json to org1 byfn network org1 json. Before copying to there, they want us to make one change. Okay, they want us to add, okay, between version and channel, they want us to add one entry. So this is the byfn network. So the new file byfn network org1.json will look like this. So they are asking us to add this many things between version and channel. So version and channel, and copy this file as byfn network org1.json under the folder org1. So yeah, just follow that instruction. The same thing we have to repeat for org2. Okay, just finish that steps, and these all are, we have to go here this level, wherever this config crypto config folder is there, right? Go to that level. In my case it's my home directory fabric samples first network. So go there and do this. So this basically copies the admin MSP, the public key and private key, to this composer, temp composer org1. So org1 org1 private and public key get copied to temp folder. The similar way we have to do for org2. Okay, that's that step. And step 7 we are okay, we now we did everything we needed to start building our network. Okay, in the steps you will create, so we are at step 7. There are many more steps to go. In the steps you will create a business network card for administrators to use to deploy blockchain business network. Okay, just follow the steps. We have done all the preliminary works. We have copied our network information.json, then our certificates for our peer admin. So everything is ready. Just follow these commands the similar way we are doing for org2. Just follow that command, and now we will create, run the composer card composer card import command to import the business network card to the wallet. Okay, we have created the card and now we have to load into the wallet. The same command we have to do for org2. Just finish. Now we are at step 11. Okay, now we are installing business network card onto all of the Hyperledger peers of org1. Okay, so we have the BNA file. We have to move where the BNA files are located. In my case, okay, in my case, I have copied the BNA files to trade. Oh no, cd my home directory, cd trade. Okay, before I have we have to use BNA file, right? So I have copied. I just go to our website a blockchainbuddy.com. Okay, let's go to a blockchainbuddy.com. Here we have a GitHub repository. Just go there. I'm added a one the trade network, okay, repository. In just clone this this one. It has all the information you needed, the BNA files, everything is everything is there. Just clone this one, and I cloned to my home directory. It created the trade network folder. So there I have all the files needed. So the BNA file name is, so just rename either this one or here you have to modify the BNA file name. That's the only change you have to make. Everything is there to install our business network. So they are asking us to get that from the Bluemix. No need, we just get from the our GitHub directory. So now, now what? Run the composer install command to install the business network to onto all Hyperledger Fabric speed nodes of org2. Okay, in the above step we did for org1. Okay, now we have to repeat the same step to org2. Okay, that is done. Okay, now we have to specify the endorsement policy. Okay, just create a file temp composer endorsement policy.json. So this is just the identities. Okay, policy 2 of we will see what these identities and policies are in the next section, but just copy this file and make it ready for the next step. In the next step we will, okay, here the business network started, business network configured with a set of participants. This participant will be responsible for bootstrapping. Um, In our network, org1 and org2 have equal rights. Each organization will provide business network administrators for business network board. Okay. Step 15. Retrieving business network administrator certificates of org1. Okay. Identity request. Okay. I think I can do this one. I can show this one. I already finished these steps. So admin successfully satisfied in the so yeah, so I have two admins, Bob and Alice. Network start. Endorsement policy. The network start with this endorsement policy. That's what we have configured in one of the above steps. So just follow these steps. This is to create a business network card for the admin Alice. She's a network administrator for org1. So the card is created, card is imported to the wallet. Now we can ping that card. So I have already done that, but I can still ping that card. Yeah, successfully finished that. Alice is our admin, and admin for org, which org? It is org1, and Bob for org2. So we can add the participant. I have already done that, so you guys can add here, or we can add in the Composer REST server. There also we can add. So here participant is added. Import the card and test it. So yeah, the commodity is getting added here. So they are asking either use this, go to the REST server or do it, or we can use Composer transaction command and we can do that. So that once that is done, we can do this. We can list the network for Joe. So I have added what all things. There is an asset I have added, then a trader, Joe Doe and Dave Low. So similar step we are repeating for org2. So we have done all those things. Now let's see composer composer card list. Okay, these all are the cards. Let's composer REST server. Let's start this one, Alice Trade Network, that is part of organization 1. My god, there is an error. What's that? Uh, oh, it is already running. That's why. Okay, I have already started the Bob's network. Okay, that's why it is not allowing to start. So localhost 3000 is already running. So let's see what all are there. Okay, who all are there in this network? We have this all we have added. We have in past we have done some examples with the REST server. We have did some transactions. The same BNA file, similar BNA file I have used. So you guys can add new commodity. You guys can do the tried all these things we have did that time we can do in a multi-organization setup. Okay, that's all. That's all about this multi-org tutorial. Just try to build one system based on this tutorial. So yeah, try to do it yourself and let us know if you have any trouble. Okay, thank you. Bye.